I'm Fatima.
Hi, I'm Sania Malhotra.
Download the Bollywood Times app now.
Kushti isn't about lal langots and dusty akhadas, guys. It's much beyond that. I think Kushti, for me, is dreams converted into sweat and blood. That gets converted into discipline, and that converts into a film called Dangal, which will be a blockbuster hit. It's an Amir Khan film. Get it right. And today we have in the BT ka akhada, which is Bollywood Times ka akhada, Fatima Sheikh and Sania Malhotra.
Hello.
Please clap for yourselves. Thank you so much for gracing Bollywood Times. How are you guys feeling?
We are blank with no emotions right now.
Why no emotions? सारी emotions मतलब अखाड़े में निकाल दिए.
सब पूछते हैं, are you guys excited? Jittery? No, we are nothing.
We are blank.
I want your earliest memories of film that really inspired you to enter the film fraternity.
Oh, I don't remember because as I entered the industry when I was a baby.
Right, we know that.
So that happened because my mama wanted me to act. In Andheri East, Kamalistan,
right.
A lot of films used to be, they were shot there. So she used to take me there and we used to watch films being shot. And she approached somebody, they said, ki, yeah, there is this audition of this film happening. Bas.
And what about you? Your earliest memories that inspired you?
कभी खुशी कभी गम.
Karan Johar, आप Coffee with Karan से आए ना direct?
But seriously, I think that was the first film I saw in a theater.
Oh.
And you sobbed, of course.
Yeah.
You
I'm
had
a sob
emotion?
baby.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I cry on anything. Cry.
Stop. Cry again. Stop. Good. 10 on 10. 10 on 10 for Sania Malhotra. She's a good actress. Look out for her. Okay. What's been your toughest struggle in life so far?
I really don't like this word here. Nothing is struggle.
Okay.
Because I don't.
Let's change the question.
Yeah.
No. Yes, pass on and go on.
For me, there was one phase of life when I was not getting work. It was very difficult for me because I didn't have a backup plan. I dropped out of college and I was thinking just acting as a career option. तो ऐसा भी नहीं था कि एक्टिंग छोड़ दी तो कहीं काम कर लूँगी. काम करने के लिए एजुकेशन तो थी नहीं. कहाँ काम करूँगी, कौन लेगा मेरे को? But I found photography and I assisted and I worked at a studio for a while. Then I got a call for Dangal.
You know what? मैंने research किया और पता चला that you are a fabulous dancer and you've been a part of a dance reality show.
Yes.
So I want to know more about that.
So I came to Bombay 3 years back for this dance reality show. I was in top 100. I didn't get through when I came to Bombay for the further auditions. Didn't get through because I didn't have a nice story to tell.
हाँ क्योंकि struggle भी नहीं था तूने बोला इसके
नहीं struggle मैं यानी है नहीं ऐसा कोई लाइफ में struggle है नहीं काम मिल रहा कोई बात नहीं ऐसा कुछ ऐसा रोना धोना नहीं हुआ मेरी लाइफ में कभी कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं था मुझे.
हाँ वैसे भी ग्रेजुएट है
यानी मतलब ग्रेजुएशन से कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है मेरी लाइफ में अभी तक. मेरी ग्रेजुएशन किसी काम की नहीं आई है बट कुछ ऐसा स्टोरी भी नहीं था. तो आफ्टर द ऑडिशंस आई कॉल्ड माय डैड एंड आई वाज लाइक मैं मुंबई में रहूँगी कुछ दिनों के लिए देखना चाहूँगी. मैं हमेशा से एक्टिंग करना चाहती थी. छोटी थी तब भी यानी ड्रामे तो करती रहती थी. कभी ऐसा एक्टिंग का कोई एक्सपीरियंस है नहीं. घर पे ही करती थी. तो पापा ने बोला जाओ बेटा जो करना है कर लो जी लो अपनी ज़िंदगी. हैड नो आइडिया वेयर टू गो. ऑडिशंस किधर जाए किस कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर को अप्रोच करूँ कैसे काम मिलेगा. हैड नो आइडिया. तो 3-4 महीने आई यूज्ड टू गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग. आई यूज्ड टू क्लीन द हाउस. तो मैं अपने 4-5 रूममेट्स के साथ रहती थी एक 2 BHK के फ्लैट में. तो मैं सबका सामान सब अच्छे से रखती थी. सुबह उठ के आई वाज साइको. मेरे को यानी पैसे मिलने की देरी थी वरना मैं काम वाली तो बनी चुकी थी.
सही है.
3-4 महीने के बाद फिर मेरे को पता चला कि कहाँ थोड़े कॉन्टैक्ट्स बने. मैंने ऑडिशन दिए एड्स मिली. 1 साल तक मैंने काफ़ी सारी एड्स करी और फिर दंगल के लिए कॉल आया.
While you guys were shooting for Dangal, ever thought, you know what, यार ये इतना घुस गए ना रेसलिंग में कुश्ती में कि I think I'll pursue sports now.
उसके लिए ना एक अलग लेवल ऑफ डिसिप्लिन यू रिक्वायर.
यस.
See, we did it for 8 months. I don't know how these athletes do it. That is another level of commitment and passion. I am passionate about my work, as in I'm passionate about acting. But physically, sports is very demanding.
It's
and
very
injuries,
demanding and it's very difficult.
हाँ, surrender करना पड़ता है.
But 8 महीने तुमने किया, like I'm sure there was a time where you must have thought कि यार नहीं यार, I want to give this up. मतलब, am I really doing a film or am I really doing a sport?
I didn't
Never.
feel that. No.
Never. Because our coach, Mr. Kripa Shankar sir, I think because of him, हम इतना entertain रहते थे throughout the practices, हमें कभी ऐसा लगा ही नहीं.
मुझे
मतलब ये प्रेशर होता था कि अच्छा परफॉर्म करना है. बुरा लगता था, कभी कोई डांट भी पिटती थी सर से, बट कभी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि अब छोड़ के मेरे को नहीं करना.
मुझे तो अपनी गोल की इतनी क्लैरिटी थी.
Yes.
I was very clear that I have to reach there. So even if I have to practice for 4-5 hours, I would have done that. I'm very clear. If I have to reach there, and I know I take time. I'm a slow learner. तो जैसे अगर कोई मूव होता था, मैं तब तक करती रहती थी जब तक मेरी हड्डियाँ ना टूट जाए.
सच में.
Like I'm very obsessive then. So I never felt that.
And what is strange कि मैंने ये making देखा दंगल का, I think the धाकड़ girls, making of धाकड़ girls, और उसमें your director says that बबीता की पूरी फिल्म में
Yeah.
कुश्ती इतनी ज़्यादा है नहीं duration, but still she
Yeah.
learned it for 8 months.
She did.
Like
Because I am a wrestler in the film. You need to feel like Babita or to feel like the character. I think it was important for me कि मैं ढल जाऊँ उसमें, और मुझे मज़ा आता था ये करने में. I used to enjoy doing wrestling.
Also, even if she had 30-second का 1 minute का resting in the film, until she doesn't train for it, that 30 seconds are not going to look convincing.
true that.
Not at all.
How impressed was Amir in the audition, in your first audition he saw, and how impressed? I'm sure you have not given one audition for this film. कितने दिए? 5-6?
We had 6 rounds.
6 rounds
जो
of audition.
1.5 months तक चले.
1.5 month की audition दी, ठीक है? So I want to know Amir Khan's first reaction after seeing your tapes, and I want
We actually don't know.
last.
Yeah, we don't know. Yeah, he didn't.
Everyone used to be very poker face in front of us.
Yeah.
कोई पता ही नहीं होता था.
No
हर राउंड के बाद
reaction.
लगता था कि अब बताएंगे मूवी मिली है या नहीं मिली है.
As
And
in-
then they used to come up with the new round. आज हम ये करेंगे. हम एक और राउंड, हमें कब मिलेगी मूवी, ऐसा था सीन.
अच्छा, what was the audition then?
So after the first audition जिसमें मुकेश छाबड़ा our casting director जिनके यहाँ पे हम गए थे, 1 महीने के बाद हम दोनों को कॉल आया था उसके शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग का. कि आप
That's where
shortlist
we
हो गए.
met.
That's where we met, Fatima and I. And I was at that time auditioning for Geeta. And we were the only people who got along. And after the auditions, we used to go together and rehearse. Though I was auditioning for Geeta. तो ऐसा कोई कंपटीशन हम दोनों में, सिर्फ हम दोनों में नहीं था.
बाकी सब में.
बाकी सब में था, और वो बनता भी है
जायज़
क्योंकि
है.
भाई सबको मूवी चाहिए इतनी
You know,
बड़ी.
we all know how proficient Mukesh Chhabra is when it
Yeah.
comes to casting. A very dear friend of mine, I really want to ask this question: ki, what is the process of an audition? Do you just, there's a camera here and you just shoot that scene? Because Mukesh Chhabra is not known to do that.
No.
I want to know what was the process involved pre-audition
Process involved pre-audition.
or during that process with Mukesh Chhabra.
So when I first gave my audition, at that time I just
Deeksha was auditioning.
हाँ मतलब as in I just read my scene, I did it according to मतलब my understanding of the scene. I had no मतलब didn't मैंने थोड़ा बहुत समझाया, but I had somebody who would give me cues. When it came to after we got shortlisted, they came and they explained us the whole thing कि character से क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए, और वो लोग हमसे workshops करा रहे थे कि गालियाँ दे दो या wrestling थोड़ी करा दो.
गालियाँ दे दो.
हाँ
To just to open up.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that
of
you don't
course.
have inhibitions.
Yeah.
But so what happened? Actually, it's an interesting story.
What?
The
Sure.
wrestlers are also there, no?
Yeah.
So what happened? They were asking. We
So
were
shortlisted लड़कियों में
हाँ, so we were playing a game. नहीं, we were playing a game where जो सबसे ज़्यादा गालियाँ देगा वो जीतेगा. तो of course मैं जीत गई गेम. And वहाँ पे सारे wrestlers थे. So they were
4
also
लड़कियाँ थी
auditioning.
जो शॉर्टलिस्ट
Okay.
जो ऑडिशन दे रहे थे, वो भी रेस्टलेस थे.
हाँ.
And
And
they
they
were
were
shocked.
scandalized, yeah. And they came up to us and they said कि यार तुम इतनी सीधी और अच्छी
अच्छे
लड़कियाँ
दिखते हो
लगते हो
और आप
और आप
लोग
लोग
गालियाँ
ऐसी गालियाँ देते हो. And they were really, see, you know what?
They look
actually?
so tough.
No. Till now I used to feel that wrestler है तो मतलब they must have had that, you know, कि हाँ हम गालियाँ दे के बात करते होंगे. But actually वो लोग कभी गाली नहीं देते हैं. मतलब मेरे दिमाग में जो इमेज थी एक रेसलर की वो बहुत ही अलग थी.
कि chill होंगे एकदम. Yeah.
हाँ.
Like
नहीं,
normal
मतलब
people.
And, you know,
normal people
हाँ.
और पर they're
But I think what she said previously in our interview is that, you know, that वो discipline हम में नहीं आएगी कभी. You know, we are actors, we are normal human beings, right? And I think sports people, for them it's something beyond
true.
discipline, I think.
It's something
For, you
else.
know. Okay, I want to ask, you know, pain is weakness leaving your body, all right? How much of pain have you guys endured in this? Because in the making also, आपका पाँव फ्रैक्चर हुआ था.
मेरा तो बहुत कुछ हुआ.
काफी कुछ हुआ है, मतलब पुर्जे पता नहीं किन किन के टूटे हुए.
अरे अभी हमें फुल एक्सरे कराएंगे तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो टूटा ही होगा.
Definitely.
टूटा होगा.
But not only me, even she had a ligament strain. Amir sir had a ligament tear.
Zahira had other
radiating
issues.
pain.
Yeah, सबको यानी wrestling is a sport जिसमें आपको लगेगी लगेगी.
So you have endured the pain.
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, sweet pain, right? I mean,
No, it's
because you confessed that अरे यार ये पूरा crew मेरी
Of course,
वजह से
यार.
wait कर रहा है.
So,
कितने महीने?
एक महीना कुछ.
1.5 महीना. 1.5 महीना. My shoot was postponed, and before the shoot happened, I had a rib fracture. 2 months बाकी थे shoot के लिए, and I was so scared that I didn't tell anybody that I had a rib fracture because or that it was hurting so much.
Yeah.
Because I was scared if I tell them they would ask me to not to wrestle, and I didn't want to miss even single day of
Yeah,
wrestling.
it feels ना like नहीं
अब तो
बताना है.
मूवी चली जाएगी.
Like बुखार है तो नहीं
When she
बताना.
called me that I have a rib fracture, I started crying. I thought that they'll chuck her off.
तुम
तुम्हारे से नहीं होगा.
तुम्हारी हड्डियां पसलियां टूट गई, तुमसे wrestling नहीं होगा, अब तुम फिल्म से भी निकल जाओ.
ऐसा. I started crying. Then when she came back, she told me that
It's fine.
everything is fine.
Yeah,
I've given us a break.
Which was your moment when you gave your first autograph to someone? Recall that.
Oh yeah, I was in the gym in Ludhiana. We were shooting, and Amir sir was also coming to the gym to work out.
Generally लोग तो उनको मिलने आते हैं. हम तो
People were waiting for him to come. 1 घंटा हो गया, तब तक मैं अपना वर्कआउट करी थी. लोग आए नहीं आमिर सर, तो लोग थक हार के मेरे पास आए.
मैं भी थी. हम लोगों से ले ली.
आप ऑटोग्राफ देंगे? हाँ दूंगी. आपका नाम क्या है? पागल होता. चलो दे दे. नाम पता ही नहीं था उन्हें, पर मेरे को मेरा फर्स्ट ऑटोग्राफ ऐसे दिया.
मेरा फर्स्ट उससे काफी पहले था, when I was a child actor, but I don't really remember anything about it.
You don't remember anything
No,
about
somebody came up to me and said कि autograph चाहिए. मैं बोला नहीं, मुझे शर्म आ रही है.
You're so cute and Chachi 420.
यार
Fantastic.
अरे ऑडिशन के टाइम पे
अभी भी है यार.
ऐसे गुस्से से
अभी हॉट और क्यूट दोनों हो गए मतलब.
अरे
हॉट बाप यार. हाँ. When I talk of films, girls, like Mother India, you know,
हाँ.
Bandit Queen, more recently Piku and Tanu Weds Manu, and you know NH10 Queen, you know, all these films. Dear Zindagi, the recent one.
Yeah.
Highway. The female protagonists have suddenly carved out a niche for themselves, and it is so good of Amir to really sit back in interviews like these and give you guys, you know, that whole thing that they are the protagonists of my films. You know?
He's very generous, you know.
Isn't he generous? The question was that, how generous is Amir Khan?
Even while we were shooting.
As a producer.
Even while we were shooting, scenes में जिसमें पापा और गीता और पापा और बबीता walking together, I remember you used to walk behind. Do you remember?
Which one?
Has Nitish sir told you about the story?
No.
बता.
तो स्टोरी ये है कि वो पीछे हम लोगों से क्यों चलते थे. कभी गीता को इंट्रोड्यूस करवा रहे हैं तो तूने देखा है तेरा एंट्री शॉट हुआ या मेरा एंट्री शॉट हुआ, तो ही यूज्ड टू वॉक बिहाइंड. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही सेड कि ये इन लोगों का.
The story is about these girls.
Like I can't walk forward.
So that's the thing about him, no?
I
That
can't lead them. I have to walk back so that the audience sees both of them and not me.
He gives his 100%. So he is very true to the film. वो स्टारडम के पीछे नहीं भागते या फिर कि फिल्म आमिर खान की वजह से तो चली रही है, बट दैट्स नॉट हिज गोल. वो कैरेक्टर जो है उसको फुलफिल करेंगे. ही इज नॉट गोइंग टू पुट हिमसेल्फ
स्टोरी को फुलफिल
मतलब अगर ऐसा होता तो the film would have been about the coach, but the film is not about the coach. The film is about the girls who are coached by you know, their father.
Yeah.
Have you, I mean, of course, have you met the entire family? What's the one striking thing about the Fogart family that you will never forget?
I think पूरी फैमिली में लड़कियां
फ्रंट फुट पे.
Yeah, all of them. And not only the Fogart sisters, Geeta, Babita, Ritu.
The mother.
Ritu, the mother. Their cousins, Vinesh.
Vinesh.
All of them. Like I remember I went for Geeta's wedding and there were so many people and people were pushing us. सब यानी all the guards were protecting Amir sir क्योंकि उनको तो छोड़ते ही नहीं लोग. And we were being protected by the Fogart sisters. That was some other feeling कि आपको ये गोल्ड मेडलिस्ट और सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट वो आपको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हैं. इट वाज लाइक Oh my God.
Surreal, no? Very surreal.
विनेश आगे खड़ी है, पीछे साइड पे बबीता है, and they were like trying to protect Sakshi ma'am and me. She didn't go.
I had
I had
a
a
fracture.
fracture. She had a fracture. I had a fracture.
That's fine. That's fine. But that's awesome, yeah. I mean, it's, you know, in spite of winning gold medals at Commonwealth Games and, you know, Sakshi Malik winning in the Olympics, and you feel that they are still so rooted, yeah.
अरे so sweet they are.
Ego ही नहीं है मतलब.
They're
So
too sweet.
They're very sweet.
I'm gonna give you a surprise today.
Gift?
Both of you. हाँ, तुझे कैसे पता? तूने शो देखा है पहले?
नहीं देखा है, but दो ना gift.
कैसे हाथ यहाँ तक और यहाँ तक खींच. Both of you.
Wow.
Please.
What?
उसको दे दे यार,
एक
वो
मेरा
रो
है.
पड़ेगी.
हम खोल सकते हैं क्या इसको?
ऐसे भी क्यूपेर होती है.
हाँ.
हाँ? क्या होती है?
क्यूपेर होती है. ठीक है, जस्ट
Paper
ओपन.
होती है.
खोलूं?
हाँ जी.
हाँ. रुको एक सेकंड गेस करने दो. कोई बुक है?
हाँ.
काजू कतली तो है नहीं. I really want to know about your mother, Sakshi Tanwar. We have loved her ever since the cable television started and the whole Saas Bahu saga
Kahani
started,
Ghar
right? Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki, who doesn't know? But her kahani in the Fogad Ghar, we want to know.
She's too innocent, yeah. She's very sweet and very
Yeah.
ऐसा
She's a very lovely person.
timid. Very cute she is.
And she has some wonderful stories and she has her own way of telling her funny stories.
Yeah.
मुझे ये जानना है कि two actors, when you meet them, whether it is Amir, Sakshi, in your case, of course, you work with Shah Rukh and you know Kamal Hassan and all. Do they even talk to you about just not good things, but about bad things that has happened to them, and because of that, they have changed as a human being?
Yes.
You know, that can only happen if you have a certain kind of an equation with that person.
Okay.
So if you
Then
become a
a
friend,
certain-
yeah. If
Yeah.
you're a friend, then वो कोई भी share करेगा ये चीजें.
With Sakshi ma'am and Amir sir, it happened because we've been together
Yeah.
from the past 2 years.
Correct.
And I was young, so I didn't have that equation with.
यार ये इसका excuse सही है यार हमेशा.
मैं तो छोटी
मैं बहुत
थी।
छोटी थी तो
यार
मुझे
कुछ
तो याददाश्त ही चली गई
कोई
है
5 साल के बच्चे को थोड़ी ना बोले यार मेरी लाइफ में ये सब चीज खराब हुई थी तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
और say Kamal Hassan picks up his phone. Did you know what you did, Fatima? So you've been propelled at this ripe age of 20. Actually, 20 is not ripe, but almost ripe. You know, entering the fraternity.
Yeah.
You know, look at this. I mean, you know, lights on your face
Camera,
and
ek
yeah, camera. Are you prepared now? Do you even know what's coming your way? How will you take it from here to here?
I don't know यार.
We
ऐसा
have
प्रेशर
no
मत
idea.
डालो.
प्रेशर मैं का डाल रहा हूँ. मैं तो चेक भी नहीं
Actually,
दे
वो
रहा.
प्रेशर लोग डाल भी रहे हैं और वो डल भी नहीं रहा है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है कि that's not my goal कि मैं अब इससे बेटर करूँगी. मेरा ये गोल है कि जो भी काम करूँगी मैं उसको 100% दूँगी.
और हैप्पी रहो.
हाँ, I think if I am happy and I am content with my work, then people are going to see that and love it.
Yeah.
The moment I'm going to question it and
Yeah.
start acting because other people are expecting a certain kind of performance, then तो फिर क्या?
जैसे सोच इसके दिमाग में क्या होगा. बकेट लिस्ट. शाहरुख गया, आमिर गया, सलमान खान बाकी है. But yeah, wouldn't you want to work with Salman?
Of course, I want to work with Shah Rukh again because
मैं छोटी थी मुझे कुछ याद नहीं था.
और क्या? I would love to work with him. I love him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a huge crush on him.
और मेरा अगला सवाल वही था कि did you girls have a crush on Amir Khan ever
No.
before this film, of course?
No.
Any film? No.
No,
Like I used to love him as an actor. And
for
his
me,
work.
क्रश तो शाहरुख था तेरा.
हाँ,
मेरा क्रश कोई भी नहीं था. मैं काफी बोरिंग हूँ. मुझे
That's
किसी का
sad.
crush.
हाँ यार ये कैसा
That's really
ये
sad.
कैसा अपन Kardashians?
No, not Kardashian. 1 second. हाँ, मेरा क्रश था.
हाँ बोल.
गणेश हेगड़े.
गणेश हेगड़े.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
the choreographer.
हाँ.
हाँ सही है.
क्योंकि आप तो
After his music video, मैं दीवाना, मैं दीवानी.
Okay, we're gonna end this show by playing a game now
Okay.
called the most cliche game.
Which one?
वही है हमारी सस्ती टिकाऊ.
Never
Never have I ever. Have you played this game before?
कभी जिंदगी में नहीं खेला.
अरे चल तो मजा आएगा यार.
रूल समझा दो.
Just keep the chalk away from your body.
मैंने नहीं
yeah?
खेला.
Your clothes. Okay. So you're gonna be honest, हाँ? अभी पता चलेगा. सच्चाई सामने आएगी. Never have I ever cried on the sets of Dangal. Like literally cried, huh? Not fake cry. You both have really cried. Which scene? Why?
For
Yeah,
me,
she. हाँ.
for me, I was wrestling, and ऐसा मुझे लगा कि मैंने अच्छा wrestling नहीं किया, and I went to one ऐसा corner and I started crying.
Never have I ever disagreed with what Amir Khan had to say.
I have.
On which point?
Gatan यार.
Yeah.
ठीक है, वो तो game हो गई.
हाँ.
Not acting, but I say generally in personal life, whatever he says,
We disagree. Just kidding.
Okay. Never have I ever given a wrong phone number to a guy. I have.
You have?
हाँ.
Even I have.
9999234.
Never have I ever messed with my watchman. Watchman के साथ होता है ना अनप शनप.
I have.
You know, after Dangal shoot, suddenly you get into character and it's difficult to get out of it.
नहीं, it's
नहीं,
never
वैसा कभी
difficult
कुछ नहीं.
for us to get out of anything.
Never have I ever been to the men's loo.
अभी हुआ था. अभी हुआ था.
Recently.
अभी हुआ था.
अच्छा.
Airport
नहीं,
पे
in school I have, yeah.
अभी
Boys
हुआ.
washroom,
ठीक
हाँ.
है.
एयरपोर्ट पे हुआ. सो मैं पता नहीं कहाँ दिमाग था मेरा. मैं अंदर वेट कर रही हूँ and I entered the loo, so it didn't have a, I don't know, the door was open, I don't know what happened. And she's coming, so she's like,
I was so ऐसे opposite ऐसे parallel में या ladies washroom या gents
Gents
washroom और मैं देख रही हूँ कि फातिमा gents washroom के अंदर
Gents. Very good way of saying.
I was waiting inside.
What are you doing inside?
I wanted to sue.
Yeah, अगला सवाल. Yeah, this is good. Never have I ever. After this will be never have I ever farted and accused someone else. सबकी आदत है नहीं अपनी.
अरे बहुत यार. और एक दूसरे को blame करते हैं. क्या कर रही हो फातिमा?
I think that's about it. You guys have answered all the questions pretty well.
Yeah. सब कुछ
You
तो
guys have, you know what, let me tell you this. I have never been so excited, Fatima, Sanya, on seeing any, newcomer, I would say, because you guys have now, of course, grown and, matured over the years. Because the last time I saw you was in Chachi 420, which was when I was like in my teens.
Yeah.
And it's so good to see this new talent being nurtured by one of the most brilliant producers we have in our country. And I'm saying producer, Amir Khan, he's fabulous. And I really wish you both a longevity in our Hindi film industry.
Thank you so much.
And you should keep doing interviews like these.
मैं रुलाओगे क्या?
Because I'll keep on giving you gifts like these. Thank you so much for gracing Bollywood
Thank you.
Times.
Hi, I'm Fatima Sana Sheikh.
Hi, I'm Sanya Malhotra.
And you're watching Bollywood Times with Devansh Patel.